You want a home that is on selling sunset? Chances are your budget might be a little less, especially if a first-time home buyer. Here are some tips to begin your home search. Determine on a scale of 1 to 5, most important and rank. Location, number one rule in real estate. Style of the house, cosmetics or fixer. Yard space, school district, close to amenities such as Starbucks, grocery store, or work. Size, floor plan. Once you have determined this, work with your agent in finding those homes that fit the criteria. Remember, you only can get one of two items from your list. Also, if your agent suggests a home but maybe you did not like the photos, go look if your agent suggested. They usually know the home. Lastly, do not discount a home due to photos. Not all homes are photographed professionally or are difficult to photograph. Don't forget to follow me for some more tips on Daniela Realty.